Today is January 27th, 2014. Back with a quick, try and keep it quick, even though I always say quick and seem to ramble on forever. But back with a trading update. Good day today, even though I actually step back. One of the greatest things about short selling, particularly plain any penny stocks, but particularly short selling, is you can make ridiculous sums of money and still botch, blow everything. Perfect example is today with ARIA. I shorted this at, it's almost embarrassing. I think at 9:13 right here. There was a big spike early, and then it started fading, and I'm pretty sure at 9:15. Let's call it. I should look it up, but 9:30. Okay, help I fucking pay attention. Look at my notes. So 9:34 right here in the second red candle, and faded, and I told myself, the nice thing is the next thing I'm gonna do is a bitch about leaving a ridiculous amount of profits on the table. But the nice thing is I followed my plan, so I can't get too pissed at myself because I did what I said I would do. I said, let's look for it to crack, go red or green to red, and when it washes out, take profits. So I waited, and it bounced off 9 a couple times. And I almost covered, and I said, no, let's see what happens here. And it cracked 9, so I basically covered as quickly as I could, and I believe I covered at $891 for almost $700. Okay, not bad. Literally 30 minutes of work. But then this shows how you can be an idiot. I made $700, and then look at what it does. The wheels fucking came off 2 minutes after I covered, and it hit low 8s, and then these are 5-minute candles. It went through 8. I basically left a solid $1 a share, and so I covered for 40 cents a share and left $1 on the table. It should have been, a $3,000 profit. But anyway, good news is this is repeatable. It's easy. Well, it's not easy. You got to learn it first. But once you learn it, it's consistent. You can make money at it. And so that was the play of the day. And then midday, I really didn't follow anything. I was happy but pissed at the same time, so I just left and dealt with some of the stuff with my rental properties, did some chores around the house, and I was happy. $700 in 20 minutes. What the hell? So that was the play of the day. I then took NLST long for some idiotic reason, holding this over. And then also, why can't I see it? RSOL. I shorted RSOL right here, basically waiting for it to crack 4, and then it really came back on me. But I'm in it small. I'm down, $100 or something, $100 unrealized. So I'd kind of like to see what happened. The market kind of shit the bed today. Right now, Apple is falling apart. I'm assuming, I don't know what the news is, but I'm assuming we'll see. Might get a market crack tomorrow. And RSOL looks pretty weak to me. So I've already managed to ramble forever. Pot stocks, I didn't play any. We're a month into this hot pot stock stuff, and I don't think I've traded a single one. Those are all on my watch. I got to keep an eye out for those. But to wrap it up, again, ARIA, look for piece of shit stocks up big, fading volume, fading price, liquid. They gotta be liquid, which ARIA is. And, look for an entry, keep a tight stop, and you can make a lot of money. See you tomorrow.